Hey, everyone. Welcome to my new tutorial. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to change your name on TikTok. Whether you want to update your existing name or simply customize it, this guide will help you achieve that step by step. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your TikTok app on your iPhone or Android phone. Then, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once on your profile, the next step is to tap on the Edit Profile option, then tap on a name. Now you can enter your new desired name. Keep in mind that you are limited to changing your name on TikTok every 7 days, so you can do it once a week. When you're done, tap on Save in the top right corner of the screen, then tap on Confirm. Now, go back to your profile, and you'll see that your name has been updated. If it hasn't, close the TikTok app, and when you reopen it, go to your profile, and your name on TikTok should be changed. Very easy and straightforward. So, that's all about how to change your name on TikTok. If the video helped you, don't forget to like, share the video with your friends, and, of course, subscribe to the channel. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching. See you next time.